Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing unboxing of, not unboxing, like not like this boxing. We do unbox, is it? Hello friends, today we will be doing, not we will be, I will be doing. Let's open this box and find out what exactly, let's open this box and find out what exactly comes in this box. All right. Hello friends, today I got the parcel from Crosstour Action Camera, Crosstour company, and ordered CT9300 action camera. So let's find out what exactly is in this box. And this was bought from Amazon, approximately 70 pounds, which was really a good price. You need to go in and check it out, amazon.co.uk. Let's open this one. It says, "Thank you for your support." Wonderful. A charging cable. A special gift for me. If you write down and if you get this card and if you give them your opinion and feedback, hopefully you can pick up 3 gifts from Amazon from this company. What I ordered was a battery pack, Crosstour battery pack, which I will show you, which I got it. And this will cost you approximately another 14 to 15 pounds. Easy, approximately 16 to 20 pound also, depending upon where you're buying. So we will unbox this later on. Let's come back to CD9300 Crosstour action camera. User manual, the camera itself. It's a waterproof casing. I will put it down here, and that's a camera. Pretty small. Hopefully I'll turn it on and I'll show you and give you feedback for this one. Let's find what exactly what else is in this box. It's a wristband. Keep this here. Another case which I hope goes here. Something like this. We'll do it later on. This is a mountain grip. I think it goes on a bike. You can hook your camera up and then use when you're doing some tracking biking. I think glue stick. That's a remote control. You can turn it on and off. Another glue stick, so probably you need to glue somewhere wherever you have a fixed position, so you fix it, and hopefully there should be some casing. I hope this goes with it. So I hope something like this. Another one, another accessory. Well, they've given me another battery, which is very wonderful, and I hope there should be one more battery is in the camera itself. One battery. So we have 5 of, probably just to screw and make sure where you want to adjust this one. So 1, 2 big ones and 3 small ones. So if you can see this one, I'll show you 1, 2 and 3, and then we got 2 big ones. Another charging cable, that's good, and few more accessories. So I will count approximately. Oh, there's one more. Wait a second. And I think this is another case. If in case this waterproof casing gets bad, so you have another one, extra one. So that is good. Nothing more. So that's a box, empty box now. So let me count how many accessories you got with this. So I'm gonna place it here for you guys. So here are those accessories which came in the box. So let me count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, approximately 18 extra accessories you got with the camera itself. So that's a camera. I hope everybody will like this video. I will give a review of this actual camera, how to use it, and their functions and a video performance. Let's find out in the next video. But let me show you the battery pack. So this, which was ordered as a free gift. Let's see what exactly came in. Wonderful. This is what I was thinking, because in case you are filming somewhere and you run out of battery, one is not sufficient, which is given by the company. One extra battery, which is given by Crosstour. Let's find out if we have another battery or not. Yes, there is one. So if you buy a box, a Crosstour action camera, 2 batteries comes with it. So make sure you check your box. It shouldn't be just 1 battery, it's 2 batteries. So, and then this, which I ordered as a free gift, so I received another 2 batteries. 1, 2, 2 more batteries. I'll place it here, and a charger, which goes like this. And there's a charging cable also, which is not bad if you get anything for a free. And this costed me approximately £70, including this 2 extra batteries and a charger. Not sure if this deal is still going on. Everybody can browse around and see on Amazon if it's still available. Thank you so much for watching my video. I tried to unbox this camera and showed you what exactly comes in it. Approximately 18 to 20 accessories, camera, 2 batteries in it, and extra batteries, which you got it from Amazon. If you get this free gift voucher, which is a special gift for you. I'm not sure if they are still giving or not. For next video, I will show you how to turn this on and about this camera's video performance. Thank you so much for watching my video, and share with others. Please do subscribe my channel to get more videos. I do my best to share and educate and aware people. That's what the knowledge is. Pass on this knowledge so that somebody else can get benefited. Thank you so much.